Caught another L from the Sneakers app today. Roll the intro. YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, share the video, and follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button right there down below. Hit that red button. I got great news this morning. We passed 425 subscribers. Got it on my little TubeBuddy app. Then I went to see my actual account, and we are up to 430 subscribers. Thank y'all so much for showing your support, man. Once again, hit that subscribe button when we hit 500 by May 15th. Now, do not forget, the goal is May 15th. If we do not have 500 subscribers on May 15th, the giveaway will be postponed until I don't even know when. It'll be postponed. But if we hit 500 by May 15th, there will 100% be a giveaway in the week to follow. Now, so you guys have seen my videos, the last couple of videos if you've been around. And a sneaker that I was looking forward to dropped this morning, the Air Jordan Zer0.3 Russell Westbrook sneaker on his signature line in the Splash Zone colorway. Now, you can see the sneaker right there, and me personally, it's not a sneaker that I would wear. You know what I mean? I wouldn't wear an outfit with it necessarily. It's a performance shoe, and performance shoes now are just so far different than what they were then when it was Jordans or whoever it was playing then. They were more wearable with everyday outfits. Today's sneakers are only meant to play basketball in, but the reason why I wanted this sneaker right here is not because of the shoe itself, but because of the packaging it came in. And I knew, and I've been saying for weeks, or however long it's been on the sneakers app, when they announced it, like, yo, this shoe is gonna do numbers. This shoe is gonna do numbers. I've been telling other people on sneaker Instagram, in the sneaker Instagram realm, and in the sneaker YouTube realm, like, yo, these are gonna go crazy. You know, like, man, I'm not checking for those. I don't want them. I don't want them. All right, man, but the vast majority of sneaker heads in the world are not sneaker YouTubers or sneaker Instagram people. They're just people who like sneakers, or maybe not even like sneakers, but they're just collectors in general. And with this box right here, I knew right away, man, these things were gonna hit for big money. And I was right, but I still held, you know what I'm saying, I still held a little glimmer of hope that I'd be able to get my hands on a pair or two. You know what I mean? Me and my girlfriend were on our apps this morning, so we had a couple apps running, trying to get them, and both caught L's. Both of us caught L's, and I was like, no way. This is a sneaker. Everyone's saying on Instagram and on YouTube, oh, I don't want the sneaker, I don't want this, the sneaker's whack, da 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 da. And what makes me mad about it is that I had a chance. Now, the reason why I didn't do it is I kind of don't trust early pairs. So I had a chance to get it. They had early pairs on GoDaddy for $270, which is steep. Don't get me wrong, it's very steep. $270 for early pairs. And now if you look on GoDaddy and StockX, they're going anywhere from $400 to $500 resale for a $170 sneaker. And all it is because of the box. Nobody ever wanted a Jordan Why Not 03 unless you were a basketball player. You know what I'm saying? It's not. There's a couple colorways that I think are pretty neat, and I actually do like how the shoe looks, but I just couldn't wear it with an outfit. But it goes to show that presentation and marketing is king, something I've been saying for a while. The presentation of a sneaker, the box or whatever it comes in, is one of the most important parts of the sneaker that makes it special. That can make or break a shoe is the box that it comes in. Example, the most recent example I can think of is the UNC 3 that came out with in a regular Jordan 3 box, but with the powder blue lid. If that came out in a regular Jordan 3 box, instead of them selling, I don't know what they're selling for right now, but I sold, I got two pairs. The most expensive pair I sold was for $300. Instead of selling that pair for $300, it probably would have sold for $250, $275. But just the little difference of the box makes it worth that much more. Another sneaker that came out this year, for example, the Black Cat 4s, you know what I mean? And they're not even selling for anything right now. They're selling just above retail at like $200, $220, about just above retail. If it had a regular Jordan 4 box instead of the blacked out box, I think they might be selling for under retail right now. Presentation has a lot to do with a sneaker. Something that I pay a lot of attention to when I get sneakers and when I buy sneakers. I always like when they throw in something different with the box and how it looks. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna do the best that I can to mourn this loss from this morning, recover from this L. I also took, you guys saw, I took the L on the Court Purples on the sneakers app, and I did get them on the GOAT app. But with the whole virus situation, they are taking forever to get here. I was hoping I'd get them by the end of this week. It's looking less and less likely. They were verified on Tuesday, and usually GOAT app does a good job. A lot of times when most purchases I got, it gets verified and sent out that same day, or verified and sent out the next day. Well, it was verified on Tuesday. Today is Thursday, and let me just check the app one more time, because you never know, something could have happened in the last 5 minutes. So I'm gonna open up, go over here, go to orders. Maybe I've spoken into existence. Nope, they've still been verified, and they are still not been sent, not been dropped off to UPS yet. So they are not on the way to my house yet. Once again, I was hoping I would get them by the end of this week. Got some cool things I want to do with them. Obviously an unboxing video, and then lace. There's something I want to do with the lacing, and I was gonna try to change up my on foots a little bit. I know my on foots are some of the worst on foots in the game, but I wanted to switch that up a little bit. But those will be in sooner or later. Just gotta let the days pass. One of these days I'll get them. I'll be able to do a video on them. But that is it for this video, y'all, man. Thank y'all for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you to every single one of you that have subscribed, that have followed my Instagram, been leaving DMs, leaving comments, liking videos. I appreciate that, guys, more than you'll ever know. But once again, man, hit that red button right there. Make sure you are subscribed. We have to hit 500 by May 15th so we could do this giveaway. That is it for this video, man. Follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.